in-apps browser or Google Chrome and navigate to https://staking.kommunitas.net. Or you can navigate to www.kommunitas.net and click on staking. 2. Click on Enter KOM Staking V2. 3. Connect your wallet. 4. Make sure you are at Matic Mainnet and you have some Matic Mainnet token for the fees. If you want to know how to connect to Matic Mainnet, please refer to this doc for MetaMask. https://docs.kommunitas.net/wallet/metamask, and for Trust Wallet https://docs.kommunitas.net/wallet/trustwallet. 5. Choose the duration for this staking: 30, 60, or 90 days. Please notice that this is a locked staking, which means that you cannot unstake before the maturity date, or you will get charged a 20% fees in KOM. And please always check the default APY. As of the making of this video, the default APY is 30%. 6. Enter the amount that you wish to stake. Minimum 100 KOM. Note that if you stake more than 3,000 KOM, then you will be eligible for KOM Voting token. KOM is not tradable, and it will be used later for our governance function. Please add this into your wallet. If you have previously staked on Staking V1, you can convert your old KOM to new KOM token. Seven. If the staking is successful, you can see the amount of rewards that you are going to earn as well as the maturity date at my stats. 8. You can choose to do partially prematurity withdrawal for any of your staking.